Hope Not Handcuffs is a resource, an initiative by Families Against Narcotics, where someone can walk into a police department and ask for help. That officer on duty then makes one phone call to our angel coordinator, and our angel coordinator will then dispatch an angel to that particular police department and assist that person into finding them a bed into treatment.
We have the facility where everybody knows where the police department is. Now they know that they can come in and tell us they need help and get some help pretty quick.
They're such grateful people. They come in there and they just have a heart of gold. And you can't help but love them.
I look forward to tomorrow. I don't dread waking up every day.
I don't have to do this alone. I have people who care about me. I got a job I wake up for every day bright and early. I make my bed every day.
This isn't a moral failing. This is something that has happened to them, but they can recover. There is hope. And that's really what Hope Not Handcuffs stands for. Hope. We're here to give you hope.